Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to create a new saved cycle on our SERO 12 centrifuge. How to create a new saved cycle on the SERO 12. Saved cycles put a set time, speed, and braking into your centrifuge's memory. Instead of setting each one by one, just pull up the saved cycle and you're ready to go. Your SERO 12 arrives with one of these cycles pre-programmed. It can hold up to 10 preset cycles, and you can always adjust on the fly if you need to. We're going to be creating a saved cycle of 3600 RPM for 30 seconds with the brake setting on, but you can use this same process to create any saved cycle you like. As a quick reminder, your SERO 12 has all of its controls right here on the front panel. Today, we're going to use all of these buttons. First, make sure you're in free mode by pressing the up button once. Within free mode, set time, RPM, and brake as you want them for your saved cycle. If you need a reminder on how to set these, check out the video links on screen now. For our example saved cycle, we need an RPM of 3600, time of 30 seconds, and braking toggled on. Once you've got your settings adjusted, give it one last check. You can edit a saved cycle if needed, but making sure all settings are correct here will save you time. Now, press and hold the cycle button until you hear a double beep. Your new cycle is created. By default, the system will name it MEM followed by the cycle number. In our case, MEM2, since this is our second saved cycle, after the one that comes pre-programmed into your centrifuge at the factory. You can change that name. Click the link to learn how. Your new saved cycle is immediately ready to run. In fact, the centrifuge will load that new saved cycle by default once you save it. To navigate back to this saved cycle from free mode or another saved cycle, press the cycle button until the name of the saved cycle you want to spin shows in the RPM screen. That name and the selected RPM will alternate on the screen. The settings for that saved cycle will show on the time and brake screens, so you can easily verify those too. Saved cycles can be edited. Click the link on the screen now to learn how. Now you're ready to spin. Press Stop Unlock to open the lid. Load your tubes and close the lid. The centrifuge will automatically lock. Next, press the Start button. The rotor will begin to spin, accelerating until it reaches your selected RPM. During the run, the cycle name will alternate with the RPM in the RPM screen. The centrifuge will run for your chosen cycle's time. You can see time remaining on the time screen. Once the run is complete, the centrifuge will begin to slow down, applying the rotor brake as you selected. When the rotor is fully stopped, the centrifuge will beep, and the auto-open lid will automatically open, allowing you to lift the lid and retrieve your spun samples. And that's all there is to it. If you have any other questions, you can always contact Drucker Diagnostics and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.